sun setting sort of in the west. This is my food forest. This is the depression in the back of my yard. Really needs cleaned up. See it bumped out to the northeast. Come down here, there's an old sandbag. Need to get cleaned up. I let the four-wheelers come back here last summer just to mush things down and give me a better idea of what I was going to be working with. The question I have for y'all today, other than I need to pick those styrofoam cup remnants up, litters. Ugh. Now somebody decided to throw this down here some time ago. There was a basketball goal. Remember, it's got a hole there. It's pretty well sunk into concrete, into the ground. Try to wrap this up. There's my house through the trees. Is there something that I could use that post for if I got help and drug it up out of here, back into the yard, dug a hole so the post would fit? I don't know. Give me some ideas. Post them below.